Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel. Acrylic painting is a rewarding and enriching process. It encourages you to really look at the world around you. You start noticing details, light, shadows, texture in proportion that might go unnoticed otherwise. It helps in visualizing ideas and expressing emotions, opening up a space for creative thought and exploration. It can be meditative, reducing stress and promoting mindfulness as you become fully immersed in the process. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Any sketchbook or even loose sheets of printer paper will do for practice. Gesture drawing and painting captures the action, motion or position of the subject. Use quick light strokes to capture the essence of the subject in a short amount of time. The shadings of acrylic painting brings depth and realism to your drawing. Start by understanding the light source and add shading on the opposite side where the light hits the object. Arrange everyday objects. It creates with one continuous line without lifting your pencil or paper. Drawing is a skill that improves with practice. Start with simple exercises. Learning to draw and painting is a journey that takes time and dedication, but with practice, anyone can improve their skills. Be patient with yourself, enjoy the process, and let your creativity flow. So, here is a different blending process, and shadings are appeared. Thanks for watching this video.